The other project we've been working on is Coral Moss, which was on Vicarage Hill. It's in the same conservation part of St Austell, kind of within the much older layout of it. And this was a little different. So we already knew much more about St Austell this time. We'd been already building the Cafe Tango facade. So what we wanted to do was really get into the sort of the planting which we had found. And we had noticed that the surrounding landscape of St Austell contained a mix of native plants and also plants that have been coming over since sort of 1700s. So we've had a very interesting mix of sort of subtropical planting and native planting, which now grows in as one thing, as kind of a juxtaposition of different plants from around the world. And we wanted to celebrate this, and it is something which has been celebrated in St Austell for some time now. And we drew upon research that we had completed for Cafe Tango in regards to the heritage of the tiled shop fronts within St Austell. And this facade, although it's not yet built, it's in the process of being built, is going to contain a much more sort of traditional approach of sculpted plants and reliefs on the tiled facade. And this facade is strongly linked to heritage and strongly linked to the landscape, although it contains no living plants. We wanted to take this very historic, very endemic thing to St Austell and use it to celebrate both the clay culture, but also this sort of historical link